Welcome to my channel. Today we will make tomato onion chutney, which is a very tasty chutney. I have cut the tomatoes and onion to small pieces. Place a pot on the stove, add 1 teaspoon of oil to it and add the cut onions and saute for about 5 minutes on medium heat. When the color will not change but the onion will cook well. I am really glad to mention that I see considerable numbers of subscription every day, and I thank all those who have subscribed, and I welcome all those who are yet to subscribe. When I get more subscribers, it will be encouraging and I will be able to post many more recipes. You can try those recipes and let me know how you like it, and if there are any vegetarian dishes that you would like, you may also mention that, which I will definitely post on my channel. So your subscription is of great value to my channel. Thank you so much. Those who have not subscribed may press the subscribe button and click the bell icon and choose the all option, when you will receive notification for all the videos that I post. Now add 1 clove of garlic to the onion. 1 clove of garlic is enough for 1 onion. The flavor will be mild and it will be tasty. Now saute the onion and garlic and add the tomato to it. Tomatoes also need to cook really well. When they cook well and all the moisture in it evaporates, the taste will be more concentrated, and the taste and flavor of the onion and garlic together will blend with the tomato, so that the chutney will be very, very tasty. So keep mixing the vegetables well until the onion and tomatoes become soft. Once they become soft, it is easy to grind, and the taste will also be much better when they are cooked fully. Now keep stirring on medium flame only. Don't keep it on high flame, otherwise the color will change. So you can watch for the moisture to evaporate. When there is moisture, it will keep bubbling and you can see the moisture, but when the moisture is evaporated, the vegetables will not burn, but there will be no extra moisture in it. So you have to cook it until then to get a real taste of the onion and tomatoes. The 1 clove of garlic will give a very mild flavor to the chutney. I have taken a small piece of tamarind. This sized tamarind is enough for this. Onion and tomato. I have taken 1 red chilli and 1 Kashmiri red chilli for color. You may add more chilies if you like it to be spicy. I have added 1 tablespoon of fried peanuts, which is going to be a very good taste giver to the chutney. I have also added half a teaspoon of salt. You may add more if required. Now I am adding a small piece of jaggery. This jaggery is not going to make the chutney sweet, but it will blend the taste well, so that if the chilies are very spicy, it will blend it, and if the tomatoes are sour also, it will blend it. Now grind the dry ingredients first, and after that add the onion and tomatoes to it, because if you add everything together, the peanuts will take quite long to blend well. So it is better to make a powder of the dry ingredients first and then add the onion and tomatoes to it, when it will be easy to grind and everything will blend well together. Now place a pot on the stove and add about 2 teaspoons of oil to it and add half a teaspoon of mustard seeds and half a teaspoon of urad dal. When the urad dal turns brown, add curry leaves and add this seasoning to the chutney. This seasoning will make the chutney very tasty. It will taste like a restaurant style chutney. Now place a tawa on the stove and sprinkle little water to it. When the water rolls, that means the tawa is hot. At this time, add half a teaspoon of oil to the tawa and wipe it with a kitchen tissue or a cloth. By wiping it when the tawa is hot, it will give a Teflon coating effect so that the dosa can be spread thin and without tearing. So wipe it and then add the batter and make a thin dosa and add the oil on top of the dosa so that the batter absorbs all the oil, which gives a better color to the dosa and also a better taste. Now the dosa will be ready in about 2 minutes. This chutney with dosa or idli or any other tiffin will be really very tasty, and I am sure everyone will like it. Do not miss this recipe. Make this chutney and eat it with any tiffin that you like, and comment without forgetting. Let us meet in the next video.